Are you looking for the best exercise bikes? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best exercise bike on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Marcy Recumbent Exercise Bike. This Marcy bike, the best exercise bike with back support under $200. This remarkably sturdy model comes with 14-gauge steel tubing, finished with a powder coating. This machine's design was intentional and specifically created to make it easier for the user to mount and dismount with maximum space between the seat and the motor. There are 8 levels of magnetic resistance. We love how the knobs on this machine actually simulate different terrains. The computer screen on the console is so easy to read because the stats are all displayed in large bold numbers. The display reveals stats such as time, speed, distance, and calories burned. Consumers rave about the seat's comfort level and the thick foam provided, as well as the backrest providing excellent lumbar support. Even the foam-covered handles ensure each user will be experiencing maximum comfortability. Interestingly, the pedals are actually weighted. Heavier pedals were found to provide better control. We are blown away by this machine's capabilities, given its affordability. This model is a steal in every way. A few negatives to note were that some customers found the directions on how to operate the computer were difficult to follow. Also, a user who is 5 foot 1 inch tall was too short to use the machine. We recommend the Marcy Me 709 for those on a budget looking to get their sweat on. Number 2. Exerpeutic 400XL Folding Recumbent Bike. Exerpeutic 400XL is the best folding exercise bike for back pain. This incredibly compact machine can be easily folded up and rolled away into storage between workouts. This model comes with 8 levels of magnetic resistance. With a high torque crank system, this product offers a smooth and steady pedaling motion. The Exerpeutic 900XL is a very similar model, just a bit more expensive than the 400XL. A few things set these machines apart. For instance, the 400XL has more room between the handlebars. The 400XL weighs just 39 pounds, while the 900XL weighs 63 pounds. Both models can carry up to 300 pounds. They call the Exerpeutic 400XL a semi-recumbent bike because the user's feet will be pointed slightly downward, and the seat rests a little higher than a traditional recumbent bike. An ultra-thick cushion is provided on this model for a maximum level of comfort. Reviewers couldn't stop raving about how smooth and quiet this machine is. One major point to take note of is that the directions are a bit too complicated, and buyers claim they were able to figure it out better using their own judgment. We recommend the Exerpeutic 400XL for those who are looking to find a challenging workout and fill a tighter space in their home. Number 3. BodyRider BRF 980. BodyRider BRF 980 is the best fan-forced model. The specially made curved crank on this air bike applies impressive tension on both the X and Y axes. This means the user will have a smooth and efficient pedaling experience. The ergonomic crank allows each user to adjust the resistance safely while in motion for a complete workout experience. We love that the comfortable and well-cushioned seat is two-way adjustable. You can move the seat up and down or forward and backward to find the perfect adjustment for each user. Many customers note in comments that they could set up this machine in an hour or less. Some reviewers, however, noted that the fan flywheel was a bit noisy and that the directions weren't as straightforward as they'd hoped. Keep in mind that sometimes noise comes from bolts on the machine not being tight enough. We recommend the BodyRider BRF 980 for those who are looking for a light to medium level challenge. This exercise bike would be great for seniors or those just beginning their fitness journey. Number 4. Exerpeutic ExerWorK A2000i. Exerpeutic ExerWorK 2000i is the best desk exercise bike with back support. Do you ever find yourself working so hard in the office that you never have time to exercise? Not anymore. This impressive machine can not only fold up between uses, but it comes with a built-in desk to make working easier wherever you decide to place this bike in your home. The desktop is adjustable and can tilt forward as well. It has 3 angle adjustments and 5 height adjustments. Not only is this bike affordable, but we love that, given its incredibly reasonable price, it has so much to offer. This exercise bike comes with Bluetooth capabilities and the MyCloud Fitness app. You can easily use this bike while reading, watching a TV show or movie, surfing the internet, checking and responding to emails, and so much more. We love the benefits that come with an ExerWorK bike. It can improve your alertness, fend off depression, blow up your creativity, and all while burning calories and toning muscles. Customers love the adjustable backrest and the 4-way adjustable airsoft seat. It moves forward, backward, up, and down. According to the manufacturer, this machine has a height range of 5 feet 1 inch to 6 feet 3 inches. However, this reviewer said she could not comfortably fit in the machine without reaching. We recommend the Exerpeutic ExerWorK 2000i for those who plan to work while they work out. Number 5. HARISON Magnetic Recumbent Exercise Bike. HARISON Magnetic Recumbent Exercise Bike is the best for seniors. The sleek black color and design make this exercise bike an attractive aesthetic for the home. The frame is made out of heavy-duty stainless steel, and it is sprayed with a special baking paint that is environment protecting and also anti-rust and anti-corrosion. We love how easy this model is to access, given its extra space between the console and the seat. Seniors and those with disabilities or in rehabilitation will really appreciate the thoughtful and generous space provided. This item can support up to 350 pounds and is extremely sturdy. The sliding seat rail system easily adjusts from front to back to accommodate anyone within the height range of 4 feet 8 inches to 6 feet 5 inches. The large, non-slip, adjustable pedals accommodate users of different weights. Heart rate sensors have been designed into the handlebars that are found on either side of the seat. A ventilated back allows consumers to cool down more effectively. Customers said HARISON has some of the best customer service they have ever experienced. Also of note was that the directions could have been made clearer and that some of the steps are missing. We recommend the HARISON Magnetic Recumbent Exercise Bike for seniors and those with disabilities or in the process of rehabilitation.